I'm in the zoo with the lions and apes and bears. You probably won't make it there. One of the options they say they want smoke with me. You don't want to take it there. And these niggas be hating this shit here. It's like a disease. I'm glad that I came prepared. I'm the worst case scenario. Better put faith in there. You running like bitch, come here. You better start facing your fears. And your lane better get clear. 20K been a hell of a year.
Basically, we already talked to the salesman, right? And he said that this one's faster and it goes longer, but that one is just. This one's just a work of art. It's called the Timbok, and it's pretty good. So it's like a Tesla motor. Like, look at this. And then look, you unlock it. You unlock it with a fingerprint, man. You like put your finger there, and then it unlocks it. It's already unlocked right now. If I pull that, if I pull the accelerator, it'd literally go. But I'm not gonna do that because I'm a good boy.
Yeah, it's got a little storage. Have you opened it?
Alright, so we're gonna take it for a spin. You know, record from the back. Yo, Angel, get on. Okay, we're going for a spin. Yo, why aren't we going anywhere, right?
Yo.
Because no one bought it. £35. Oh my god. I mean, you gotta pay that sidemen tax, you get it.
Have you heard about the Oreo bunker?
What?
Never heard about the Oreo bunker. They store their Oreos and like the secret recipe in a bunker and like, I don't know, it's never heard of it. Yeah,
Was that for so long? For so long?
What's on, guys?
I think it's on.
Fire.
That guy looks like Dwayne Johnson, bro. Yo, hey, yo, it's The Rock, bro.
Guys,
Quick. What's up, guys? Today, I'm gonna be doing the I'm gay prank on my girlfriend with my brother. It's gonna be sick. Stay tuned. In the fucking car. Wait till they start revving, man. There's not that many, but every single one of them are cool. So it's better than like before. Probably not all of them showed up either. So. Pulled up to the meet. You know we fuck man. We got a Hyundai here. Got a twin turbo Hyundai. As you can see, look. We got the two turbos. Turbo number 1, turbo number 2. I love Hyundais, man. It's probably my favorite Hyundai ever made. Got a Honda over there. Honda with a really cool wrap.
Did you just say Hyundai?
It's a Hyundai.
It's a Honda.
It's a Hyundai.
It's
a Hyundai.
Okay.
Same shit. Look.
Okay.
And we got a Honda down there. Look, it has
That's
a
my
H.
favorite one, actually.
Yeah, I know, me too. Yeah. Bro, I love that Honda, man.
I was looking at that one out of all the
Look,
cars.
H for Honda. Got a Mustang pulling in. I love Mustangs. Got a really nice Mustang here.
What's the price of it? Price range of this one?
Realistically, here probably a lot, but like I don't know.
How much
like,
though? Do you know how much average that would be?
Probably like 40 grand.
40 grand?
30, 40, probably.
Ah, okay.
It's a Mustang though, so
Yeah.
they're pretty shit.
Yeah. Tate's Bugatti. Oh my god, Andrew Tate Bugatti. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Andrew Tate's Bugatti. Look at the color.
Yeah, guys, Andrew Tate's Bugatti, bro.
Where is he? Where is he?
I don't know.
Yeah. Andrew Tate's somewhere here. We just have to look for him.
Yeah.
Look for him. I didn't realise.
Okay, come here, guys. I'm gonna show you my bike. It's a Bugatti Scooter. It's 6.9 million. It's 1.6 million more than Bugatti, than Andrew Tate's. This is my Bugatti Scooter.
Oh look, it's got the blue. That's how you know it's a Bugatti.
Exactly.
It's a blue Gatti.
It's a Bugatti, yeah.
It's a blue Gatti.
Bugatti.
Alright, you're gonna park it next to all the brokey bikes.
Nah. It's too expensive.
No, bro, come on. So guys, it's Matt Watson from Carwow, and here we have Corvette GT. I mean a Mustang GT.
Yeah, well, we're down in Miami Beach, guys.
It has a 5-liter Coyote V8. I think it's a Coyote. I'm not sure. I'm not really into American muscle cars like that, but I am into American women. It's got a nice plate. Don't show the plate. And they have some lemon lime prime. To keep the car hydrated. Drink prime. And then a Volkswagen Golf just pulled up. That's crazy. Look, they have a very nice positive message on the back of the car. It just means send love.
Yeah. No, it means subscribe. What are you saying?
It means subscribe, so
Yeah.
that's what we should do.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh my god, it's a Supra. Everyone wants to take a picture.
Just to see that, bro. Look at that car.
Oh, the neons, the neon.
The neons, bro. I've never seen that before. It's my first time.
I'm not sure. It's the 301
Yo, credits to this guy for following his Instagram. Obviously.
Oh my god. It's GTA. Filming me?
Yeah, of course.
Filming me?
Yeah, I can't shut out with my bitch and totally racks up, yeah, I feel like Uzi. Pulled all of my life a movie. Gotta talk down, yeah, you know I'm zooming. Wait up, Shawty gon' serve me up like she a waiter. I got my dudes, got people on payroll. Nah.